And now step number 3, find research topic. So after your 2 steps are cleared, now we'll move to step 3, finding research topic. Very important question. How you will find a research topic? Let's see. First, the topic which you will select should be according to your area of interest, and your area of interest should be a broad one, not a narrow or small area. Okay, you have to select a broad area of interest from where you can easily select your research topic. Then point number 2, your topic should be interesting, as you have to publish it in the particular journal. So make sure that your topic is interesting so that it gets easily published in that particular impact factor journal. Point number 3, topic should be latest. Your base paper should be of last 2 to 3 years maximum. Next is the topic which you are selecting, the base paper you are selecting, its scope should be high. Point number 4, keep that in mind that the topic which you will select has data is available on it easily or not. Okay,